So now we are done with our part 1 of the video series on problems related to angle revolution based on clocks. And let's do another problem involving same concept, that is angle revolution based on clocks. So here we have question that where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution clockwise. So clockwise means in this direction, and it's saying that your hour hand or any hand of the clock, your hour hand is here at 12, and it's saying it makes half of a revolution. Half of a revolution always means what? A straight angle, and a straight angle will be when this hour hand will reach at 6. So when this hour hand reaches at 6, then this will make half revolution. So your hour hand will be at this position 6 for this first one. So the answer will be your hour hand will stop at 6. Let's do for the next one, that is for B portion. Please watch previous videos, that's very important. I'll repeat this because we are not discussing very deep. We are not solving these questions by discussing all the points that we have discussed in our previous videos, and that's why I request you to please go to the playlist and watch previous videos. The hour hand starts at 2 and makes half of a revolution. So again, your hour hand is at 2, and it is saying that it has rotated in a way that it has made through half of a revolution. So half of a revolution again means what? It has rotated through 2 right angles, and therefore it's making a straight angle now. So 2 right angles means it will travel by 6 intervals: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this will be the position when your hour hand will rotate through half of a revolution. This is at this position, that is 8. Why? Because half of a revolution means 2 right angles, and if your hour hand rotates or turns through 2 right angles, then it means that it has taken rotated through 6 intervals. So first interval 2 to 3, 3 to 4 is the second, 4 to 5 is the third, 5 to 6 is the fourth, 6 to 7 is the fifth, and 7 to 8 is the sixth right interval. So this will be the position. So in this case the answer is 8. Next one, it starts at 5. So your hour hand is here at 5 and makes 1/4 of a revolution. Now 1/4 of a revolution means what? Only your hour hand has rotated or turned through only 1 right angle, and 1 right angle means your hour hand will take 3 intervals. So the first interval 5 to 6, second is 6 to 7, and 7 to 8 is the third interval. So your hour hand will be here, So this will be your hour hand's position, that is number 8. Again, in this case, the next one is that it starts at 5 and makes 3/4 of a revolution. How much? It makes 3/4 of a revolution. Now we know that if it makes 1/4 of a revolution, then it has rotated or turned through 1 right angle. If it is 1/2 of a revolution, it means that it has rotated through 2 right angles, and if it is 3/4, then it means that it has rotated through 3 right angles, and 3 right angles means 9 intervals. So the first right angle will be when it will be at 8. It will be at 8. This will be the first right angle. The second right angle will be when it will again travel through 3 intervals, the first interval, second interval and third interval. So it means that it should be at 11. This will be the next right angle, and then again 1, 2, 1 interval, 2 interval and 3 interval. So if it's here, that is, let me take a different color so that you don't get confused. If our hand is at 2, it has taken another right angle, and that's what makes 3/4 of a revolution, that is 3 right angles, and therefore your hour hand will be at 2.